If you can only play in certain keys, it's not a talent issue. It's a system issue. Look, my name is Trey Cross. I've been playing keys for 25 years. I've been teaching for over 10 years. In this video, I'm going to show you what the number system is. I'm going to show you how it unlocks every key. And last but not least, I'm going to show you the common misunderstanding about the number system. Let's get into it. So what exactly is the number system? All it is basically, if you think about, you have 12 notes, right? So you have 12 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So here's what we got. Each note has its own scale, set of scales. Okay? You have many different scales. Each note has their own. But right now, we're just going to focus on the major scale, keeping it simple. Okay? So if we're in the key of C, the C major scale goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can call this 8 or 1. Okay? And the same thing with C sharp. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. Same thing with D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. E flat. And the same thing with E, F, all the other keys. Okay? So what the number system is basically connecting all of this together. It's almost like a clock with a bunch of gears. Everything works together. So if we go back, if we started, let's play in the key of C major. If we're playing in the key of C major, we're using the C major scale. And so what we're doing, each note has its own chord. And as you get more advanced, you'll find that you can play multiple chords on each note. But starting from the beginning, you can play a chord on each note. So on 1, or let's say 1 on the left hand, we'll play C major. Okay. On 2, we'll play D minor. So 3, we'll play the 1 major chord. 4, we'll call it 4 major, but it's F major. 5, we'll call that 5 major. This is also G major. 6, we'll call that, I call it 6 minor, but it's really A minor. And then 7, we'll play G major. And then 1, we'll play 1 major, 1 or 8. Okay. So here's what it is. Here's how we do this. Here's the number system formula. So on the 1, whatever key you're in, the 1, we play a major chord. And it's going to be the 1 major. So if C is the root note, it's going to be C major. Okay. So on the 2, no matter what key you're in, 2 is going to be minor. So whatever that root note is, so since it's D, we're playing D minor. Okay. So 3 is going to be the 1 major chord. So in this case, it's C major. So, okay. 4 is going to be 4 major, which is also F major because that's the root note. Same thing with 5. So 4 is a major chord. 5 is a major chord. 6 is a minor chord. So in this case, it's A. A is the root note, so 6 is going to be the minor chord. So A minor. And 7, you can look at it 2 different ways. Whatever. So with 7, when you have whatever that note is, it can be the major chord that has that same note in the middle. Or you can look at it as it's going to be whatever that 5 is. So since 5 is G, it could be a G major root chord. And then last but not least, 1. Okay. So the number system, one thing about it, it does not change. You can be in the key of F sharp. You can be in the key of B flat. The formula is still the formula. Okay. Now, Here's how the number system unlocks every key. So I want you to change your perspective. Like, stop thinking that you can't play in certain keys. You actually can. What's happening is it just needs to be unlocked. So here's how you use the number system to unlock every key. What you simply do is start off learning your major scales, and you play them one by one. Even if you don't know the correct fingering, I don't care if you go, just play with your index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 or 8. That is the first step in a C sharp, and then D, and then E flat. That the first step to unlocking your ability to play in every key is to learn all of your major scales. So here are the 3 ways to unlock your ability to play in every key. Learn your major scales, learn all of your major and minor chords. So you have 12 major chords, you have 12 minor chords. Okay, I may teach that in another video. And then last but not least, I've already taught it to you. You learn the number system chord formula. So that is, what chord do I play on the 1? What chord do I play on the 2? What chord do I play on the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8? So learn the major scales, the 12 major scales. Learn the number system chord formula. And last but not least, learn your major chords and your minor chords. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the number system in praise breaks. So you can play praise breaks in every single key. So here is the most misunderstood thing about playing the number system. When you look at the keyboard, you see your white notes and then you see your black notes. If you really think about it, look at the top half of the keys. So don't even focus right here. Cover that up and look at the top half of the keys. So it's really the same even spaces. So stop looking at it like it's so different. And here's what I mean. So let's say I'm going to play the 1, the 3, and the 5 in the key of C. So 1, 3, and the 5. So what's going to happen is, if I play the 1, 3, and the 5 in the key of C and I play it like a chord, that's going to be C major. Let me play it down here. Okay. Now, if I play 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I play the 1, the 3, and the 5 in the key of F, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now check this out. Look at my hand. I'm gonna slide it over so I can play. So this is 1, 3, 5. So this is F major in the key of F. I'm gonna slide it over so I can play the C major. Watch my hand. Watch my fingers. It's the same thing. It's literally the same thing. So the spacing is the same. That's the biggest misunderstanding. The spacing is literally the same. And sometimes we look at B flat like it's so much different from E flat, and B like it's so much different from A. Yeah, it might feel different because of how we're playing the sharps and flats. But if we were to put our hands up here, I'm not saying to play up here, the spacing is all the same. That's why when I teach, I like to teach with numbers, because if I give you the number, you can just translate it in any key. You don't have to remember, okay, how does this note correlate to this note? I really hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video.